There's been many complaints recently that the internet in South Africa is bad through many of the service providers. And it just made me think about how dependent countries have become on the use of the internet and how dependent many governments have become on the use of the internet. And governments don't own the undersea cables, they don't own the internet, they don't even own the distribution of data or anything like that. Tech corporations do and private individuals do. And when you look at that reality, the more governments become dependent on the internet and the digital infrastructure or the transition to anything digital, the more they lose their sovereignty. And it's literally possible for these private companies to force governments to do things that they want, especially with regards to AI data centers and other data centers. Otherwise, they can just choke the internet. They can literally slow down the speeds. They can actually completely annihilate an economy of any country within 2 days if they actually want to. So, how wise is it for a government to not be able to communicate via post, type out things using typewriters, even if people say it's archaic? It's something you can manually do, and you have complete control when it comes to that. I just want you to think about that, because at the moment, I can tell you, government is not in charge. They are not even slightly in charge, and they have to bend to many international players. And if they don't, the internet can be taken away from them. Thanks so much. Till the next video.